In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Remitly. Easy step-by-step money transfer guide. To get started, open your Remitly account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, take a moment to look at the country shown at the top of the app or website. This is important because it determines where you'll be sending the money. Go ahead and click on that country, then select the country where your recipient is located. Choosing the correct destination country first helps make sure you see the right transfer options, delivery methods, and payment choices for that location. After that, find and click the Send Money button. This will take you into the transfer setup process. At this stage, Remitly may show you a list of saved contacts if you've sent money before. If the person you want to send money to is already saved there, simply click on their contact to continue. This can save you time and makes repeat transfers much easier. If the recipient is not already saved, click New Contact instead. Then select their country carefully and continue. Make sure this matches the country you selected earlier, since accuracy matters when you're sending money internationally. Entering the recipient information correctly helps avoid delays and makes the transfer process smoother. Next, choose the delivery method. Depending on the country, you may see different options, such as bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile wallet, or another available method. Select the option that works best for your recipient. It's always a good idea to confirm with them ahead of time which delivery method is most convenient, especially if they need the money quickly. Once that's done, select your payment method. This is how you'll fund the transfer, and the available options may vary depending on your location and account setup. After choosing your payment method, click Continue to move forward. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's account details, if required for the delivery method you selected. Take your time here and double-check everything before submitting. Small mistakes in account details can cause delays or failed transfers, so accuracy is key. From there, simply follow the prompts on your screen to review and complete the transfer. Remitly will guide you through the remaining steps until your money is sent. Before confirming, review the transfer amount, fees, exchange rate, and recipient details, so everything looks correct. And that's it. That's how to send money with Remitly in a simple, step-by-step way.